Welcome to the Arrowhead Spotlight. Today, we'll be hearing from Leah of Cruces Creatives. Cruces Creatives is a non-profit makerspace in Doña Ana County, New Mexico. Leah recently started hosting an intern, and we would like to know, how has hosting an intern through the Foster Innovation Exchange program benefited your business?
Having an intern through the Foster Innovation Exchange has been absolutely wonderful. Personally, going into this is my first employee, so having this opportunity to go in, being able to do that interview process with him, great experience, being able to manage, what sort of a schedule are we going to be working out? Where are the constraints and the boundaries that myself as a boss and my intern as an employee get to explore and figure out together, along with just having all of this extra help. And another 20 hours every week has been huge to be able to get further and faster starting the makerspace.
What has your intern been taking on with Cruces Creatives?
So Trishad Mays, our intern, has been tackling a wide variety of different tasks, whether it's looking at different machines and printers and material types to use within the space, to a lot of the everyday things. Like, he's been helping us with some of our registration forms as we're taking on our responsibilities with the city, to being able to just a lot of the little details, whether it's like, all right, what sort of an inventory system are we going to use? How are we going to get our different labels on those things? I was talking to him just a few weeks ago, and he was saying how one of the things that surprised him was just the number of small tasks going in to start a business. So on that side, it's not only been helpful for us to be able to have that extra set of hands, but for him to be able to see, this is a lot of the nitty-gritty of being able to start a business.
If you would like to host an intern, visit arrowheadcenter.nmsu.edu/AIN and click the Apply Today link.